Now here is a more complex question in algebra that involves division and multiplication. So we have 4c power 3 divided by 5c power 3 times 10c divided by 12t power 3. So as usual, we need to express them. Now it'd be 4 times c times d power 3 means d times d times d divided by 5 times c power 2 means c times c times 10 times c divided by 12 times d times t, because d power 2 means d times d. So we start to reduce them to the lowest term. This is common here, we cancel it. So when you are dividing, you can divide this line, you can divide up and down, you can divide up and down, we can divide the upper left, the upper right with the lower right. And we can also divide the upper left by the lower right. I repeat myself, whenever you're dividing, just like your normal division or fraction, you can divide up, down, down by up. But you can divide what is common here. Can divide what is common here. It can also divide across like so. That is the upper right hand side by the lower left hand side. We can divide the upper left hand side by what you have in the lower right hand side. So these can common here. These also common here. What else? C is common here, so they cancel themselves. So let's take a look at the integers. 5 here 1, 5 and 12 is 3. 5 here 1, 5 and 10 is also 2. So I think that is all. Nothing else can divide themselves. So we write out our final answer. So we have d times 2, there ought to be 2d divided by 1 times 3. So here is our final answer. Now here's another complex question on the algebra. Thought we have 6 n power 2 n power 3 divided by 18 n power 3 divided by 9 n divided by 12 n power 2. So we need to expand or express them as usual. So remember, in our rules of division, whenever you have division, this division changes to multiplication, and these values here we have to return upside down. That is, let's quickly divert a bit. If I should have something like 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 2, I'm going to have 3 over 4. Division changes to times, and this 1 over 2 will be flipped upside down, so it becomes 2 over 1. So we need to apply the same concept here. So I'm going to have 60, so excuse me, that will be 6 n power 2 n power 2 divided by 18 n power 2 times 12 n squared divided by 9n. So after this, we need to express now the 6 times m times m times n times n divided by 80 times m times n times 12 times m times n divided by 9 times n. So we start to reduce them to the lowest term. 6 here 1, 6 here is 3, m cancels m cancels m. So what else can go? n cancels this n as well. So 3 and 1, 3 and 12 is 4. So that's the final answer. We've successfully reduced the values to their lowest term. So all three left here, that will be m n times 4 times m times n, that will be 4m power 2m